Hi family, welcome to a new video. On today's video we are going to be frying sausages in a pan and in oil, and this is simply how I fry my sausages. I end up getting the browned sausages, very beautiful color, they cook well inside and they taste delicious. So let's get right into the video. The first process when I'm preparing sausages is to sort out the parts I'm going to be preparing. The second process is when I get a clean kitchen towel and actually wipe through all the extra juices that are on the sausages. After that, I get my clean pan, put it on medium-low heat and add cooking oil. If you have a heavy pan, you don't have to put a lot of oil because you can simply keep turning the sausages and the skillet will do the job for you. So I'm using a lighter pan that I use for deep frying, so I have added a generous amount of cooking oil on it. Remember that this product is a raw product and it always comes with cooking instructions where you are told to fry for 6 to 8 minutes, or if you're going to grate your sausages, you're going to make it 12 to 15 minutes for it to become golden brown. So right now my pan is heated up and my oil is just mediumly hot, so I'm going to let my sausages cook slowly because I want the 6 to 8 minutes to cook and make sure they are not being rushed here in the oil. Let me know where you're watching me from and whether you're enjoying this recipe so far, and I'd love to send you a big smile and a good hug too. The trick to having the best cooked sausages is to have them cook on medium heat and turned regularly for even cooking throughout the process. The aim here is to cook the sausages, turning them occasionally with tongs until they are browned. If the sausages don't sizzle when they hit the skillet, turn up the heat to medium-high. If you'd like to cook a lot of sausages, use a larger skillet or cook them in batches. My sausages have been cooking for the last 7 minutes, and on the 8th minute I'm just going to remove them from the heat and set them aside on a clean paper towel to take up the excess oil, and then they are ready to serve. This recipe is so easy and it gives you perfectly tasting sausages, and they are well cooked, they are well browned, and they taste delicious. I'm sure you're going to love this. Let me know if you enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next one.